Hi, my name's David, and I'm here to show you how to connect Microsoft 365 to Deskera Sales. Alright, first we're going to click on Settings, then we're going to click on Integration Settings, then we're going to click on Connect Now. Then we're going to click on Contacts, Activities, because we want to sync this from Microsoft 365 and from Deskera Sales. Now let's click Connect. Next we're going to input our email and click Next. Next we're going to input our password and sign in. Now we're signed in to Microsoft 365. All right, so let's go create an activity. So let's click Activities. Let's click Add Activity. And let's add an activity name. Let's call it Call Mike. Next, we can select the start date. So maybe I'll have this called today around, 6 p.m. And I'll set it. Next, I can assign it to, for example, David. I can link it with an opportunity. I can link it with a contact person, so for example, Mike. And I can select an organization, for example, Sunflowers Computers. And then I can save it. Then I can scroll down and I can see it at 6 p.m. right here, Call Mike. Now if I go to the calendar, I'll be able to see here, Call Mike at 6 p.m. So you can see it syncs in real time, which saves you a lot of problems, a lot of headaches. Everything's in sync, so you can see everything right at your Microsoft 365 calendar. Next, let's create an activity in Microsoft Calendar. So let me click on the 18th. I'll click here. Let me add a title. Or let's see, maybe Product Demo. And let me save it. After that, I can click on Deskera Sales. Now inside here, let's click Refresh. Then let's scroll up, and we can see our product demo here. Next, let's look at Contacts. Next, let's click on Sync Contacts. So inside here, you can see you review your count. You can go next. You can define the filters, and then you can save it here. We also have the Import Contacts. This is where you can import from Microsoft 365. And we also have the ability to go to People. And then inside here, we can also create a new contact. So let's click on New Contact. Let's put in the name. Andy Johnson. And let's click Create. After that, we can go back to Deskera Sales. We can refresh. And we can see Andy Johnson here. Now, if you see this icon, you can tell that this contact came from Microsoft People. As you can see, this reduces a lot of extra work. The activities are in sync, so you know that your calendar in Microsoft 365 is correct. It syncs your people, so if you're on the go and you add a contact to Microsoft 365, it'll automatically flow into our system. And everything is in sync because of this information. So it solves a lot of extra work. So that's a quick look at connecting Microsoft 365 to Deskera Sales.